guys, it's your boy O back with another video. Actually an unboxing video, but I already unboxed them because I gotta hold the camera. So y'all already see what's going on right off the rip. Dope looking box, Nike SB. First off, I want to say Nike, please don't ever ship in a box like this again. I don't need everyone to know that I got a pair of shoes sitting at the front door. Bad idea. But let's get into these. These are the SB Dunk Low Pro Panda Pigeon Staple Collab. Got the white swoosh on one side, the gray swoosh on the other side. Which I gotta try this with a flash. I don't know if that's 3M or none. I don't know. Came with extra laces, a white pair and a green pair. I will definitely do the green pair. Let's get to the inside. We got staple on the inside of that shoe. Got the pigeon showing on the inside of that shoe. Then we got the where it was supposed to say sample, but they scratched that out. Threw staple on there. Say not for resale. Pretty dope, pretty dope. It's the tongue tab, Dunk Low Pro. The bottom is pretty dope too, man. It's like a newspaper article, I guess. Tribute to the newspaper headlines after the first SB Pigeon launch. So I guess it made the news, made headlines. I'll get a good look at that. Retail was $100. That's the colorways right there. Black, white, green, Gusto. It's my size 10. Box is pretty cool. Tissue paper. Look like some kind of tree bark design or something like that. These actually came out today on the 15th. I was lucky enough to get them early. The sneakers app sent me a early access, finally, for something good. Because I tried to get them today, tried to get a second pair, and struck out with the draw. The draw, it's been good to me a few times, but most of the time, no. Early access is never really nothing good, but when I got that notification a few days ago, definitely jumped on it for $100. Man, you can't beat it. Resale right now is at like around 300 to 320. I've been seeing on StockX, which is probably gonna go down. I'd say they'll calm down maybe around 250-ish. So if you want to cop a pair, I'd say wait a little bit if you struck out and hit up StockX. Materials, get a close-up. It's okay. It's not like no Jordan 1 quality or nothing, but it's nice. Probably like my second or third pair of Dunks I ever owned. So I'm glad to have them. And once again, y'all, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will have more shoes coming, more heat. Keep the heat coming. All right, y'all, I'm out.